look. Okay, range hood. So over there. So we're going to design it. Here it's going to be a U shape. So what's going to happen is dishwasher will go here. So it's going to be like a blind corner. So dishwasher will go here. Washing machine will go here. We're going to move this across here. You've got the, and plus we've got the cavity in there. So that will be the range hood as well. Appliances the client will supply. So cooktop, oven, range hood. Okay. Fridge, pantry. Again, this is gone. And we'll just paint this room and so on. And four down lights here as well, as I said. So down lights, how many do we say? 4, I think 18, 20, and the switchboard will confirm.